Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going through remove duplicates from sorted list, which is LeetCode problem 83. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. So the lists are already sorted, we just need to keep them that way. So in the first example, 1, 1, 2, we remove one of the ones to get 1 and 2. In the second example, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, we're going to remove a 1 and a 3 to get 1, 2, 3. So they give us the definition of the list node, which is the class we're going to use for a singly linked list. All right. So what is a linked list? Review real quick. It's basically just a list that has a pointer to the next node in the list. And when the pointer is null, it signifies the end of the list. So the methods we're going to be using are the val, which is the current value, then we'll have the pointer to the next value, and then finally the next value. It's pretty straightforward. All right, so we're going to define a current list node to handle all the work. We have to leave this head node intact. And then we're going to compare the current value to the current next value. If they're the same, then we're just going to move the pointer ahead one. So current next will become current next. And otherwise, we'll just move the pointer ahead to the next one. And then we'll return the head list node. And that is pretty much it. So let's code it. List node current equals head. And we'll do while current is not equal to null and current next is not equal to null. So we need to make sure that the next is not null, because if this is not null, it could also be the last number. So if current next val is equal to the current value, I should have called it something besides current, but to the value, the current value of the current list node, then we're just going to move the pointer ahead one. Current next equals current next. Else, we'll just assign it to the next node. And then we end this statement and the while loop, return the head and the method. Let's run it through the debugger. Okay, so I use the 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 example 2. So 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3. Okay, we'll assign that to current. So current has the same value as head. So if current is not equal to null and current next, that's true. So current next val is equal to current val. So remember, we have two number ones. So we're just going to move the pointer to the next one. So the current next val, which I think it shows it, I think it will show it here. Yeah, 2 is not equal to 1. So we're just going to assign the current next. And the next val is not. So this is the 3. So current next, this will be what? 3. Okay. So if current next val equals current val, so we have the 3, but now we've got the other 3. So then we're going to have to move the pointer to the next. But now the current value is 3, but the next value is null. So it's going to end. And we return the head. And if you look at the head, it's just keeping track of the things that weren't duplicated. So 1, 2, 3. And that is the correct answer. So let's run this through LeetCode. Was accepted, and we will submit. Look at that. Fastest submission out there once again, and uses less than 44.51% of memory. Okay, so the last thing we'll do here is go through the time and space complexity. So because each node in the list is checked once to determine if it's a duplicate or not, it's O of n, because as we increase the numbers in list, it's going to increase the time. Space complexity is O of 1. Doesn't matter how big the list node is, we never increase it or do anything inside the program. So, all right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see